alive when you get lost on the land. On the water, on the crazy.
Hey guys, well, I'm here today just boiling some skulls off. We got a snow there last night. It's fairly warm right now. It's melting pretty good, but it ain't worth going shed hunting, so I figured I'd do this video and cook some horns off today and show you how I do it. Here got a skull boiling in there. I'm about ready to pull out. I use a turkey roaster to do that, and then I'll be cleaning the skull with my pressure washer. I seen it done on YouTube. I want to see how it goes. So alright guys, let me get this skull out of there and set up, and I'll be pressure washing next time you see me. Alright guys, well, I'm going to give this a shot here. We'll see how it goes. Let's see if I can't knock the meat off this skull. Let's see.
My home. The north is my home. The north is my home. The north is my home. Yeah.
And boy, I tell you what, I like this. This is looking good. Check this out, guys. Doesn't that look good? That's fucking sweet. I'll tell you what, that pressure washer doing a damn fine job. Boy, that's gonna clean up nice. I'll show you when it's done, guys. Alright. Alright guys, well here, I'm gonna give you a good example of what it looks like to begin with. As you can see, it's pretty. I can't see the screen, but yeah, there you go. It's pretty meaty looking. Well, I'll tell you what, this pressure washer does the trick. It's pretty slick, let me tell you. I highly recommend it.
Lakes and trees and canoes and the caribou. The north is my home. The north is my home. The north is my home. The north is my home.
Well guys, about every 8 minutes or so, look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? Man, I'll tell you, that's the way to do it. Make short work of skulls. I think that's going to turn out rather nice. Alright guys, later. Well, hey guys, I think that pressure washer worked pretty good. Here's what I did today, and I'll tell you, I'm really pleased with the way they turned out. They still got to dry out a little bit, but for sure they're definitely really good. Yeah, I gotta say I'm pleased with that. Let them guys dry out a little bit and be alright. Yep. So yeah, I think from now on that's how I'll clean my deer skulls.